Oh my god, I look like a hot mess right now. Anyway, hey guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm just gonna show you how I got ready real quick in preparation for my cousin's wedding. The sun is coming in, which is a good sign because I'm about to leave. And this is the look that I went for. I'm wearing a brown colored dress. And I need to fix the situation right now. But for now, I don't know, if you want to watch how I got ready, this rash, where'd it come from? I literally decided what I was going to do for my makeup as I was going, and this video was not what I wanted it to be. I thought it was going to be calming, relaxing, but it just ended up being a whole mess. And if you want to see how I got ready, then stay tuned. Okay, so Transformation Sunday. I just started breaking out again recently. This is actually pretty clear for me. So, I mean, it's still pretty bad, but it's still pretty clear, so we'll work with it. FYI, I ate a hash brown this morning, so maybe that has something to do with it. I like to let that sink in for a little bit. I should probably not do that to my face. So right now I'm gonna use this. I love this thing so much. This comes out white and it adapts to your skin color. And I like to dab it around my face first in different spots, honestly. And then I run out. So I just take the parts that I dabbed earlier and then figure it out. The reason why I like using a brush for this is because since it adapts to your skin color, my fingers kind of sort of create a different color for it sometimes when I'm using my fingertips. And then my brush hairs come out all over my face. Step number 5. Another one. Are we good? As long as I look good for myself, that's all I care about. Next, I use foundation. This is such a soft brush, so if it looks like I'm going ham on my face, I'm really not. I have other brushes too. This is actually, I just realized this is an e.l.f. brush, but the bottom part is missing. Not missing, but it broke off. I ain't trying to waste shit, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna use a different brush. So this one is Bare Mineral. So this one is a Bare Minerals brush, which I got from my sister. She gave it to me. Every time my sister sees her makeup in my bag, she thinks I stole it, but then she forgets that she gave it to me. Oh my god, I just washed my brushes yesterday. Alright, I'm gonna look crazy, but look. Do you see how this brush just kind of like, I can't even show you. Oh no. Yeah, this is an issue. I gotta deal with it. Oh no, it's all over my shirt too. Tell you I'm not a professional. Why am I using this brush still? I just decided that it was trash. Maybe it's because I wash it way too hard. Gotta blend it a little bit with your neck. Honestly, the way I do makeup is if I look good from this mirror, from this distance, then let's be real. Who's gonna be looking at me this freaking close? Like, what is that, number 10? I don't know what's happening, but my foundation is just not looking good today. It looks so dry. Or maybe because I'm deciding to eat hash browns when my skin looks kind of good, you know what I mean? Ugh. Alright, putting on some primer. And I just like to put it on my eyebrows as well. Now, after I put on primer, I'm going to use my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. Wait, before that, this is from MAC, but it broke. Oh, you guys can't see it. But it's a fucking spoolie, okay? And it's dirty. Did I wash this yesterday? Why is it so dirty? I probably missed it. Anyway, I'm very clean, by the way. It's just sometimes I'm forgetful. Yeah, so I take a spoolie and I just like brush my stuff out, brush out the foundation or primer. Oh, why would I want to brush out the primer? Okay, whatever, going very lightly. I'm clearly not a makeup artist. I am just a regular human being who needs to get ready for the wedding. Okay, don't go in too hard. I'm using the Naked Basics. I have two of them, both which were given to me. Honestly, a lot of my makeup brushes and palettes and whatnot were given to me by my friends and my sister, so I just work with what I have. How long does it take you guys to do your makeup? Sometimes when I'm not in a rush, that's when I decide to try the 5-minute challenge. I don't know why. Those are the days that I choose to do it. And then on days when I'm running late to work, I'm like, let me do a full face with like very complex eyebrow shading. I don't even know. Something's wrong with me. So for my eyebrows, I just kind of like learned that it has to be more straight for me, for my eye shape. I don't know, I learned that from my sister too. Everything I learned about makeup is mostly from my sister. Except for eyeliner. She started getting into makeup because I started using eyeliner. And then everything else, I kind of learned from her. Okay, forget the video. I'm in a rush and I have to go, so speed this shit up right now. Oh my god, my strategy for eyebrows, if you can't tell already, is fuck it up and then clean it up with a Q-tip. Well, not exactly fuck it up, but like, do what you gotta do and then fix it. This one seems longer than this one. Yup. I'm very curious and nosy about what my neighbors are doing. Since today's special, I'm gonna use a brow gel. Gonna be a little extra. I usually don't do this. Just because I find that sometimes it gets a little clumpy. I went a little ham there. Oops. I'll brush it out. Uh-oh. Looks really bad. Should I have used my Q-tip first? Q-tips. I don't know if you guys ever noticed, I'm not sure if it's just me, but have you ever noticed that Q-tips have one side that's less fluffy and then there's always one side that has a lot of fluff in it, like a lot more cotton on it? And by the way, I also got my nails done 2 days ago and they're just like a dark red. I don't know if Asians know what I'm talking about. They kind of remind me of like pig's blood from Hot Pot. But let me not. So I've been using like the shadows that I don't use a lot. This is really gross, but like these are almost done, but I don't use any of these. So I've been starting to use them just to use it. Honestly, you just lightly dab between the both eyes, like back and forth, because I feel like that gives me the most even tone. And I don't have to memorize what I used. What color should I do? You can't even tell the difference, but I can, so. You ever just mess up your eyeshadow on one eye and you're like, fuck, I gotta like even it out on the other eye? Well, that is the story of my every single day life. Like, I just keep blending. And if both sides are symmetrical, then it looks intentional, right? There's like a fucking black hole in my eye all the time. I don't know why, but that spot never gets any eyeshadow on it, no matter how many times I try. Whatever, let's not go too crazy on the eyes, because I know based off of past experience, every time I do too much, I end up like freaking out that I lost time, I don't have enough time to fix it, and it looks hideous. So I'm just gonna take it easy on the eyes. I'm just gonna go in with some glitter, a little bit of eyeliner, and just call it a day. Now, I know this is a little gross, but I use my eyebrow small angle brush because I don't have another one. I'm going to take the black eyeshadow and kind of shape my eyeliner. I just follow this line right here and just tap. And I kind of straighten this out on the top. It's a good idea to go towards the end of your eyebrow. It sucks though because right there I have a pimple and I don't think I covered it very well. Okay, whatever. Let's just make it match on the other side and then I'll just go over this with the real eyeliner and then we're done. Oh my god. Everybody, don't talk. Dang it. Ugh, it looks kind of strange without going all the way in for the eyeliner, so I'm just gonna have to do that. I'm gonna have to wing it. Ah. Oh my god, I'm so lame. Damn. Dang it. The second one always comes out a little better. Phrase of the year. It is what it is. I was just gonna say I am like a bartender, and then I broke the wall. No, everything's good, except I just smeared a little bit of foundation or primer on it. I'm a mess. I'm a hot mess. I'm getting hungry. Okay, let's play a game of, does Shirley have enough time to eat or do her hair? Or none of the above, we'll see. That's how I'm gonna compare my eyes to see how. This one still needs a little more. Okay, whatever. Again, it is what it is. Time for some mascara. Wait, didn't I say I was gonna go back in for glitter? Oh, crap, I totally forgot. I don't want to show you guys, but I have like crazy back knee. I was gonna put foundation on it, but I decided just let it be natural, let it air out a little bit. Plus I don't even have foundation that fits that shade, I think. So we'll just go with it. Oh, I need lip balm and a red lip, right? And then I gotta spray on some setting spray. Then my makeup's finished, so hold on. Yes, I found my lip liner. Okay, this is the only lip liner that I have, and it's one of my favorites by MAC called Soar. Oh, fuck, it needs to be sharpened. I'm such a mess. Do I even have a sharpener? Yes, I have a sharpener. At this point, I think I'm just gonna eat my lunch in the car. Yay, sharpened. Hair, I think I'm gonna choose hair over my food. Just for today, lip balm. I hate lip balms where I have to stick my finger in it. Let's use a different finger. So now I'm gonna put some lip liner on. But I'm gonna eat, so should I even be doing this? We'll see. What bag am I gonna use? Okay, I'm just gonna use a clutch. Gotta get the insides. Whatever. I'm eating curry in like half an hour, so this is all gonna go away anyway. I need to get to my hair. I'm gonna use the Becca Jaclyn Hill Champagne Splits, which my sister got me for Christmas one year, of course. And just putting it on my nose first. And then I'm gonna use this side to kind of like diffuse it in case I fucked up. I don't even know if that's how you do it, but for me, that's what I do, so. And no one's ever told me that I look funny as hell, so that's just how it's gonna be. Inner corners of my eye. Honestly, if I had like crusty ass eyes, I'm just highlighting that right now. There you go, highlighting the pimple that I had over there. I don't know how to highlight my cheeks, so I'm not even gonna bother. Top of my lip. Did I pick up some lipstick? I'm just highlighting my mustache. Damn, I did get some lipstick. Okay. This is gonna go into my clutch. Gonna do my hair right now, and I'm out, I'm out, I'm out. Oh wait, I forgot setting spray. Love it. Okay guys, I'm back. I just finished curling my hair, and I tried my best with the time that I had to make them go different directions, but honestly at this point, I think the look that I'm going for is messy curls. Because there's some parts that are so wonky, like if you look at it, I gotta go, wow, the sun just came out. I'm excited. Just threw on my bodysuit from American Apparel when I used to work there. I like this because it's backless. And I'm gonna throw on this dress, which is backless. Hopefully I'm not gonna be too self-conscious about, where my lip showing? Hopefully I'm not gonna be too self-conscious about my back knee. but I definitely wanted my hair to cover it, which is probably why I have back knee. Maybe I shouldn't put on my dress yet. I still have some time. I gotta put on my aunt's makeup. Okay. Hold on. Shoot, is my butt gonna show? Let me just... Oh no. I just forgot all about how this dress does that. How am I gonna make this go over here? What? Okay, I am super unprepared. Do you see this? I forgot that this line doesn't match up. So like, what do I do now? Tape it? What am I gonna do? I just remember what I did for this dress. Oh my god, did you see this? Okay, let's just start this over again. I'm gonna use a red string. And, damn it, I gotta show my back knee. Okay, whatever. Gonna use a red string to go through this. Wait. And then
you have to pull them outward.
I feel like no one else is gonna ever have this problem. Fuck, okay, I need help. You wanna turn the camera off real quick? Okay, so you gotta pull this a little bit. Let's see if that works first. Oh, almost. No, gotta make it tighter.
Make it higher. Yeah, like right on the chest. Yeah, that should do the trick. There you go.
Oh, damn, Jackson, you got some smarts in that brain. My back knee though. Okay, you know what? Now I gotta cut it. Peace out, guys. My nips are falling off. Alright, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to throw in some clips of my look from far away so you see how it all went together. And if you want to watch any more messed up amateur videos, then stay tuned for my next video.
Your fingers